Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we give you the inside scoop on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the BLACK+DECKER Ice Crush Single Serve Blender. If you're looking for a blender that handles everything from crushing ice to making smoothies, you might just be in the right place. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The BLACK+DECKER Ice Crush Blender is a compact, personal-sized blender designed for people on the go. It comes with a 300-watt motor, which promises smooth textures and the ability to power through tougher ingredients like ice and frozen fruits. It includes two 20-aughts BPA-Free personal jars made of tritan plastic, which is durable and resistant to cracks. These jars are dishwasher safe, so cleaning up after your smoothie making session should be a breeze. And don't forget the spill-proof lids. One twist-on travel lid for taking your drinks on the go, and a ring lid for at-home convenience. The blender features a simple one-touch blending control, making it easy to use whether you're blending a protein shake or pureeing ingredients for a sauce. Now let's get into the real-world experience. Setting up this blender couldn't be easier. You simply pop your ingredients into the jar, twist it on the base, and press the one-touch button. No complicated settings or buttons to fuss with. It's a user-friendly design that even a beginner can appreciate. I tested it by making a couple of smoothies and a frozen margarita to really put the ice-crushing power to the test. The blender did a solid job of pulverizing the ice with minimal jamming. The 300-watt motor didn't exactly blow me away in terms of raw power, but it was more than enough to blend frozen fruits and veggies into a smooth consistency. The jars were a good size for single-serve smoothies, and the lids fit securely, with no issues of leakage or spills during transportation. When it comes to performance, this blender does exactly what it's supposed to do. It crushed the ice without much effort, and the smoothness of my drinks was consistent. One minor issue I ran into was that the blender could struggle slightly with denser ingredients, like frozen berries or large chunks of fruit. It might require a little extra shaking or tapping to get everything fully blended, but for everyday smoothie drinkers and those looking for a quick, no-fuss solution, this blender will serve you well. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the motor is powerful enough to tackle basic ice crushing and blending tasks. The compact size makes it perfect for smaller kitchens or anyone who needs a blender that can easily store away. The personal jars are another highlight. They're sturdy, dishwasher safe, and just the right size for a single serving. Plus, the spill-proof lids make it convenient to take your drink with you. The blender is also very simple to use, which is great for anyone who doesn't want to mess around with complicated settings or buttons. On the downside, while the 300-watt motor does the job, it might leave some users wanting more power, especially for tougher ingredients. If you're someone who makes heavy-duty smoothies with lots of frozen fruit, you may notice a few stalls or jams. It's also worth noting that the two jars are a fixed size, 20-aughts, so if you're looking to blend larger quantities, you'll be doing it in multiple batches. It would also be nice to have a bit more versatility in the blending options, beyond the one-touch button. Some users might miss the ability to control blending speed or pulse settings. In terms of value for money, the BLACK+DECKER Ice Crush Blender is solid. It's priced affordably, especially compared to other personal blenders that offer similar features. If you compare it to models from Ninja or NutriBullet, you'll see that those tend to be priced a bit higher, but they also come with more powerful motors and additional features. So, if you're on a budget and need a reliable blender for quick, single-serve drinks, this product offers good value for what you're paying. When we compare this to some other personal blenders, like the NutriBullet Pro or the Magic Bullet, the BLACK+DECKER is quite competitive, but it does lag a bit in terms of motor power. While the NutriBullet Pro comes with a 900-watt motor, offering more power for tougher ingredients, the BLACK+DECKER focuses more on convenience and portability, with its compact design and simple operation. If you're more interested in speed and power for smoothies loaded with frozen ingredients, you may prefer the NutriBullet Pro. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with just the essentials, the the BLACK+DECKER does a great job at meeting those needs. The build quality is quite good for the price. The blender feels sturdy, and the Tritan plastic jars are durable and crack-resistant. These materials are a good fit for a budget blender, especially considering the frequent use this product is designed for. There aren't any glaring issues in terms of construction, and while there's not much long-term data on the product's durability just yet, BLACK+DECKER has a solid reputation for building reliable kitchen appliances. So, while we can't make any definitive claims on its longevity, I don't expect it to fall apart anytime soon. As for customer service, I haven't had any personal interactions with BLACK+DECKER's support for this product, but based on the company's reputation, they typically offer decent customer service. You can usually expect a straightforward process for returns or replacements if anything goes wrong, and their website provides clear instructions for troubleshooting any issues. If there are any software or firmware updates related to the blender's functionality, there haven't been any significant ones noted. This blender is a straightforward, no-frills model that works right out of the box, and as of now, updates aren't a major part of the experience. To sum up, the BLACK+DECKER Ice Crush single-serve blender is a solid choice for those who need a compact, user-friendly blender for simple tasks like making smoothies, shakes, or frozen drinks. It's not the most powerful model out there, but it gets the job done for single-serve portions. It's easy to clean, offers convenience with its spill-proof lids, and is built with durable materials. However, if you're someone who blends a lot of dense ingredients or wants more power and control, you might want to look into other options like the NutriBullet Pro or the Magic Bullet. But for everyday users who prioritize simplicity and portability, the BLACK+DECKER Ice Crush Blender is a great budget-friendly pick. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, or if you already own this product, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Remember, the link to grab the BLACK+DECKER Ice Crush Blender is in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. Until next time, keep blending, and stay tuned for more Reviews Inside TV.